So I am talking about Million City. Just got disconnected because of some issue, technical issue. Just see into it. The Million City. So what is the concept of Million City? After collaboration, this is something different. What it is? It is about a city which have a population of more than a million. So this concept regarding the city and collaboration, when this same thing, actually this is a expanding concept कि टाउन से बड़ा अगर कोई एकोमोडेशन हुआ विथ बेटर काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटीज दैट विल बिकम सिटी अगर अगल बगल के छोटे मोटे सबअर्ब्स को या सब टाउन्स को अपने अंदर एकोमोडेट कर लेता है या फिर नियर अबाउट छोटे मोटे सिटीज को like 2-3 city comes together and form into a separate kind of unit, then it is termed as conurbation. So when same way देखो छोटा सबसे छोटा टाउन हुआ, टाउन से बड़ा सिटी हुआ, सिटी से बड़ा conurbation हुआ. When this city or conurbation reaches a population size of more than a million, then it will be called with a name million city. So number of million cities in the world has been increasing as never before. So earlier there were very limited number of million city, and nowadays there is a rapid expansion in population, and accordingly there is a huge increase in number of the million cities. So just see, London was the first city of the world who reaches the mark of population size of 1 million, that is in 1800. Then followed by second one is Paris reaches the mark of 1 million in 1850. Then New York reaches 1860, and so on. So London was the first, then Paris reaches the 1 million mark, then New York, and then by 1950 there were around 80 million cities in this world. So just see how the expansion took place. By the time of mid 70s, that is 1975, there were 162 million cities. And by the time of 2005, this million city number reaches the mark of 438. And in 2016, there were more than 512 cities in the world which have at least 1 million population or 1 million inhabitants globally. And it was estimated that by 2030, a projected 662 cities will have at least more than 1 million residents or 1 million population. So this is all about, actually this is the differentiation between town and city is on the basis of population size along with the functions, occupational structure. Cities become conurbation if they took up the nearby area, nearby urban center and urban center or nearby towns or nearby cities. Then a given city become conurbation when it reaches a mark of, so this is on the size, and million city just when the size crosses 1 million mark. Now the next level concept is megapolis. So megapolis is same like conurbation, but here there is a slight difference. What is the difference? Difference is that this is a kind of megapolis is a kind of unions of conurbations. Like conurbations are the unions of different towns or city with a town or city with a city. So union of cities are conurbation, or union of city with a town or nearby suburbs is conurbation. Same way megapolis is the union of conurbations. What it means? It means that many million cities interconnected with a common goal or with a common interest comes together to form a megapolis. So it is coined by Greek word meaning great city, popularized by John Gottman in 1957. This concept of megapolis is given by him, and signifies super metropolitan region extending, and it signifies actually the super metropolitan. So metropolitan से भी ऊपर का concept हो गया, super metropolitan. एग्जाम्पल से भी समझाऊंगा, you will get to know. Urban landscape stretching from Boston in the north to the south up to the Washington in USA is the best known example of megapolis. So just see, यहाँ पे मैप के थ्रू आपको यहाँ एग्जाम्पल से समझ में आएगा. Just see it. This entire region, like from Boston to Washington. So Boston is there, then New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, then Washington DC. All these are different urban conglomeration. So these all conglomerations comes together to form a megapolis. So different city. एक बॉस्टन के अगल बगल ही वो कितने सिटीज और कितने छोटे छोटे टाउन को मिलके बॉस्टन बना होगा. एंड बॉस्टन के बगल में अब वहाँ के आगे बागे तुम देखोगे. सो फिर लाइन से बॉस्टन के बाद डिफरेंट Providence is there, then New York is there, then Philadelphia, then Baltimore, then Washington DC. So ये different collaboration comes together to form a single megapolis. So same way, if one call you to give the example of different megapolis from the world, one is this, then this side. Just see it. Las Vegas, Los Angeles, San Diego. This is another one. One is in here in London. So London UK में देखो. This London, Birmingham, Leeds, Manchester. All these are urban megapolis. Like in different countries of the world. In case of India, if you talk about India, so India has 2 or 3 urban conurbation. First is Delhi NCR. So Delhi NCR constituting all the NCR region like Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Ghaziabad, Meerut, all these constituting together, coming together to form a megapolis, and this megapolis is known with the name Delhi NCR. Same way, second urban conglomeration is this Mumbai to Pune. So Mumbai, Pune including Navi Mumbai is another urban megapolis. Same way, there is a connectivity between Chennai till Bengaluru. So Chennai, Bengaluru, entire belt, this entire region, urban conglomeration or megapolis. Another one is here, Mumbai, Pune. So Mumbai, Pune belt. Then third one is Delhi NCR. So these are the major urban conglomeration in India, this entire belt. Okay. Now the last topic for today is distribution of megacities. So megacities or megapolis is a very general term for cities together with their suburbs. So city along with their suburbs or sub-towns coming together are given the name of megacity or megapolis with a population size of more than. Generally it is given a city is called megacity. In case of generally a city is called million city when it crosses the mark of 1 million, that is 10 lakh. And when a city crosses a mark of 10 million, then it is called with a name mega city. So it's like more than 1 crore. 10 million equal to 1 million equal to 10 lakh. So 10 million equal to more than 1 crore of population. So this megapolis or mega cities are the kind of general term with a city constituting their suburbs or sub-towns or sub-cities with a total mark of more than 1 crore population. So this way first, actually I already told, first million city was London, and then Paris, and then New York. But here in case of mega cities, the first megapolis or mega city of the world is New York. So New York was the first to attain the status of mega city, and that too by the time of 1950, with a total population of around 12.5 million. Yani 1 crore 25 lakh population is there in the megapolis of New York by the time of 1950. The number of mega cities nowadays in 2020 is around 31. So now there is more than 31. Actually it is the older data, even right now it's around 42. So it's even older. So according to this data, right now it's 49, I think. Right now it's 49. So it's older data. According to this data, the total number of mega cities in the world is 31. We will look into each of them, over the map of India. So the number of mega cities has increased in the developing country as compared to developed country in the last 50 years. So last 50 years has a sign of development of more mega city in the developing country of the world itself as compared to developed country. Why? Developed country went for population checks. They are using family planning. So that's why they are controlling their growth rate. So more number of mega cities in today's time is developing in a underdeveloped country or developing country as compared to developed country. So these are the name of different mega cities of the world. First mega city or the most populous mega city today, according to data of 2016, is Tokyo, Japan. So there is 31 mega cities in the world according to 2016 data, which is now 49 around. So just see, largest one is Tokyo, Japan. So I will discuss one by one each of them. I will show you over the map. Okay, just wait. So Tokyo is the first one. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. I already told. यहाँ पे टोक्यो जापान का कैपिटल है, देख लो. अदर वन इज Delhi is second one. New Delhi. New Delhi does not need to show you. India capital. New Delhi is the second mega city of the world. Third is Shanghai, China. Shanghai is towards the eastern coast of China. Just see it. This is Shanghai. So Tokyo is also there. Tokyo थोड़ा सा हट के है. So here is Tokyo. Here is Shanghai and here is Tokyo. So this Shanghai is the third. Then Mumbai, India. Bombay is the fourth. Then Sao Paulo, Brazil. So Sao Paulo is in Brazil. So Brazil कहाँ पे आपको बताने की जरूरत तो नहीं होनी चाहिए. Sao Paulo in Brazil. So Sao Paulo is the fifth one. This is here. Then moving ahead, after Sao Paulo, Beijing, capital of China. Then Corte de Mexico, Mexico City. Country name Mexico itself. So just Mexico ऊपर में है. Mexico capital है. This Mexico City. So here it is. This is Mexico City. बीजिंग बताने की ज़रूरत है नहीं आपको. बीजिंग चाइना का कैपिटल है. फिर भी लोकेशन एक बार मैं दिखा देता हूँ. वेयर इट इज़. जस्ट सेट. बीजिंग इज़ हियर. ठीक है. संघाई वाज हियर एंड बीजिंग इज़ देयर इटसेल्फ. बीजिंग इज़ इंटीरियर टाउन. संघाई इज़ पोर्ट टाउन. आफ्टर दैट मैक्सिको सिटी के बाद किनकी, MMA, ओसाका, जापान. So 3 cities are there in Japan. So this is the belt. This belt. Okay. Osaka is there. Then after that, Egypt, Al-Khurra. Al-Khurra in Egypt. Egypt में जाओगे, there you will find just Al Khurra, I think it's not showing here, but here it is. Al Khurra, ठीक है. तो इजिप्ट का पार्ट हो गया. देन आफ्टर दैट इज न्यूयॉर्क यूएसए, ढाका बांग्लादेश. सो न्यूयॉर्क एंड ढाका. न्यूयॉर्क इज देयर वाशिंगटन डीसी के ऊपर. दिस इज न्यूयॉर्क. देन कम्स ढाका. ढाका बांग्लादेश कैपिटल. So just see it here. We are the neighbor to Dhaka. Then after Dhaka, Karachi, Pakistan, Buenos Aires, Argentina. So Karachi is here itself. Just see, boat town is Karachi. This is Karachi. Okay. And then comes Buenos Aires, Argentina. So in Argentina, you just went to Argentina. Capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. So this is the Buenos Aires, Argentina. Then after Buenos Aires, Argentina are Kolkata in India, Istanbul, Turkey, and Chittagong, Chongqing, China, Laos, Nigeria. So these are the different cities. You have to go through the map one by one. I will, whatever I can show you, just try to show you. Istanbul दिखा देता हूँ. Istanbul is the capital city of Turkey. So Turkey में is not capital. Ankara is the capital. Istanbul is here. So lesser Turkey. So European part of Turkey. Istanbul is there. Okay. Then Laos, Nigeria. Lagos is in Nigeria. Then Manila, Philippines. So let me show you Laos, Nigeria. Lagos is here. Okay. After that, after Lagos के बाद another one is Manila, Philippines capital. Philippines is here itself, and Manila is the center. Just see it. This is Manila. Then Guangzhou, China. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Guangzhou is in China. This is Guangzhou. Okay. Then Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Brazil जाइए. Brazil में you will find Rio de Janeiro is the city in Brazil. This is Rio de Janeiro. After that is the Los Angeles, USA. Then Moscow, Moscow, Russian Federation. Then Congo. Then Tianjin. Just see where it is. So firstly I am starting with Los Angeles. So America में Los Angeles towards the west side. Just see it. This is Los Angeles. Okay. After that I am going for Russia के Mexico City. This is Moscow. Mexico City नहीं, sorry. Mexico City is in Mexico. Moscow is in Russia. Then Dominican Republic of Congo. So just move into this country. Kinshasa is there. So this area, this entire area. Okay. Then Paris, France. Shenzhen, China. Jakarta, Bengaluru, London, Chennai, and Lima, Peru. So I think most of them you already know. I just want to highlight Lima, Peru. So Peru capital is Lima. This is Lima. London बताने की ज़रूरत है नहीं. UK capital is London. I already told many times London is center here. I just said this is London. After London there is Bengaluru in India, southern India. You will see it there. Jakarta, Indonesia capital. So just see Jakarta. Bengaluru is here. India, South India. Just see it. Bengaluru is there. This is Bengaluru. Okay. So Bengaluru. Then Jakarta, Indonesia. So Kuala Lumpur is in Malaysia. This is Kuala Lumpur. And Indonesia, Jakarta. Okay. After that, I think Chennai, Lima. I already told Chennai is Madras, India. So I think all of them are already over. So that's it for today class. If any doubt persists, then you can ask. I think all the different cities I already shown you over the maps of the world. एक चाइना के कुछ कुछ दिखा देता हूँ. Few of them are missing from China, like that of Qingchuan is in China. Shenzhen is also in China. I think actually China has a problem that city name, same city will be named with other name over the map. So Xinjiang, I think Xinjiang is this one itself, or something, nothing is missing. Yeah, so that is the part of China itself. Then any other cities. Shenzhen हो गया. I think all from the China are already covered. China. I don't think any city left from China. So China से ये सारी city हैं. That's it. I'm stopping the class here itself. See you in the next class. In the next class we will discuss about the remaining part of this chapter and we will finish this chapter itself. So bye bye. See you in the next.